welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thanks so much for joining me today and clicking on that thumbnail. I truly appreciate it, and I hope you'll actually consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos from me. And if you're returning, hey Shug Muffin. All right, y'all, so we got another synthetic wig review today, and this unit is from Outre, and it's from their Melted Hairline collection. I have been seeing the thumbnails across YouTube on this baby so much. I am reviewing the unit in the style BREANNE. I'm sure some or a lot of you have seen this unit floating around on YouTube, just like I have. And I am reviewing her in the color DRFF2/CinnamonMocha, which I absolutely love this color, by the way. Alright, so let's just go ahead and dive right on into this review.
Alright y'all, so this is what the stock card looks like, and this is the beautiful hair straight out of the package. As you can see, it has this beautiful texture with this beautiful color. It does claim to have a pre-plucked hairline, which is really nice, and all of this nice parting space. The lace is a little light, but that's okay. With this unit, you get a pretty wide parting space, and it's for the cap construction. It has the 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back with the adjustable straps, a breathable cap, and an attached elastic band. So I'm going to go ahead and tint the lace with my Kiss Cream foundation in the color Rich Mahogany. And now this is what the lace looks like, which is a lot better. Alright, so let's go ahead and plop this baby on and see what she's working with. Now, from initial observation, this cap is very large and very big girl friendly. Lots of room in this bad boy. Look at this freaking hairline, y'all. Come through, honey. This is a win for me, and I love it. Yes, yes. I am super impressed, and Outre, superb job. All right, so let's pull this hair back and get this lace cut off. Now, because I knew I did not want to glue this unit down, I did cut as close as I possibly could to the hairline so that it could just look melted seamlessly. Now I'm just going to add some bobby pins to the side to secure the unit in place. Make sure we're not moving all over the place. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the Now, since this unit comes with a wide part, I decided to alter the part just a little bit, you know, kind of create a more curved part. That's what I love about this wide parting space. You can just kind of curtail it to how you like it. And now I'm going to use this wax stick to mold the part in place, followed by my hot comb on a very low setting. Now I'm just going to take my edge booster just to add a little small swoop right here in the front to make it look more natural. And the parting space is really nice, y'all. I probably didn't have to use this hair fetish to brighten it, but I decided to anyway. And as you can see, it really does make a difference. But I felt like the part still looked pretty good without it. And I usually follow behind, because this is like a concealer, so I like to follow behind with my powder foundation, just to kind of, you know, mat it out. And now I'm going in with this L'Oreal Magic Precision Brush, just to go around the edges of that lace and camouflage it with my hair, so you don't see a cast of a lace around. Works like magic. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better.
Alright, y'all, so after quickly styling this unit, let's go ahead and get into my thoughts. I must say, y'all, oh my goodness, them thumbnails I have been seeing. Ooh, this baby right here. I am so happy and excited about this one. Like, oh my goodness. Outre, like, I just gotta give it to you. I gotta give it to you. Cause y'all keep bringing it every, or almost every time. It's been a few little slip ups in there, but almost every time. So, for the good, come on, y'all. Can we give it up for this texture, please? Y'all know I'm here for the yak. Give me my yak. I got my yak. Hello. Oh, honey, I'm getting all up in this. Get all up in here. Oh, this texture is so freaking amazing. Just glide right on through. They should have said this was like a human hair blend or something, because that's what it feels like. This hair. Whew. Let's also give it up for this color. This CinnamonMocha. I've tried this before and absolutely love it. Now, I don't get to see all the cinnamon. Like, I see all my mocha right here. I got a good view of the mocha. But my cinnamon is hidden. Like, I need to see my cinnamon. There we go. Maybe I just need to readjust how this hair is flowing. Look at that. Do you see this flowage going on? Oh, and with this hairline, y'all. Oh my God. Like, let me just shut up and give a moment of silence to appreciate this. Amazing! God, look at this hairline, y'all. Y'all know I am a stickler for these hairlines. These pre-plucked hairlines that they claim to have. Outre got it. They got it right, y'all. This is not even glued down. I tried my best to style this without gluing her down. So, I might spray a little pinch right here just to make sure it was flat. And I sprayed a little pinch right here just to make sure I didn't have no liftage. But otherwise, she is glueless. I use my little bobby pins. Look, I got bobby pin action over here. Look, we lifting. If I play around, look, she ain't glued down. We lifting. But y'all saw my tricks. Y'all saw my tricks to make it look like she is melted to get this melted hairline effect. Please tell the excitement I have. This one ain't going nowhere. So, when I flip the hair back, I get to see all my little cinnamon. Uh-oh, let me not mess up nothing. Hold on now. Come on. Let me get this bobby pin back up in here. Booyah. Okay, there we go. But, yeah, you can't really see it when all the hair is just like hanging down like I had. All right, so another pro. I feel like I got so many of them. I just have so many pros. I love that they give you like a wide parting space. Like, you know, you can just come up in here and maneuver this part as much as you like. Like, you can have it straight. I decided to curve mine right here, but you can also like curve it that. Like, it's just it's a lot of room in this. It's about this much space that you can just kind of maneuver your part as much as you want. Love that. I love versatility. Give me options. Now, I personally also love the fact that it's a right side part. I'm a right side part chick. Like, I was like, damn, yes, give it to me on the right. I feel like this unit could easily be in the beginner friendly, easy breezy throw on and go type of category. Like, you really don't have to do that much work, especially when you don't have to glue her down. Now, just for my personal preference, like I said, I did spray in like a couple spots, but she ain't really glued down, so I love that option. Now, I did, of course, have to tint the lace. I knew as soon as I took her out the package that that lace was not going to fit my skin tone, so I went ahead, knocked it out, tinted her to fit my skin color before I even put her on my head. So you just kind of got to look at it on your skin. You can make a judgment call and be like, this might be a little too light. I might need to add a little tinting in here. And y'all know I like to use my little cream foundation to tint my units. So that's what works for me. But find what works for you. It could be foundation powder. It could be the even tint spray that so many are using. And I feel like that's probably the easiest thing. But for me, it just didn't give the best payoff. So I like my cream foundation. BREANNE is here for the win. All right, so let's talk about the price. This unit ranges anywhere from $30 to $40. Very nice, I feel like affordable and comfortable price range, especially for what you get. Because you don't have to pluck anything, your hairline is the bomb, you get this nice texture, oh my God, and all the beautiful color options. Like, well worth it. All right, y'all, so I have shared and expressed my love for this unit right here, Miss BREANNE. Of course, I would love to know your thoughts. Are you one of those people that already have her? I've had her for a good whole month and I'm just now getting to her, but I'm so excited that I did. Let me know your thoughts of her down in the comments below. I'd love to chat about it. Also, if you made it this far and how I have expressed how much I love this unit, go ahead and leave me some heart eyes right here down in the comments below so that I know you made it all the way to the end of the video. And I truly, truly appreciate you for that. Thank you. If you're not already, be sure to follow me on Instagram at MsEbonyVee. I thank you all so, so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. Please be sure to thumbs up this video. Hit that subscribe button if you have not. And I'll be sure to catch you wonderful people in the next video. Bye, y'all.
Nothing you say makes it better.